Mimic channel. Today we are going to explain you about the LED indicator lamp. Those were invented in 1989, first time in India by Mimic. Before 1989, all the lamps or indicator lamps were of filament and of metallic body. When those are fitted in the control panels and the control panels have been sent to the remote places, half of the lamps, indicator lamps, due to the vibrations or due to the transportation problems, gets burned out, and that you come to know when the panel has been charged or started. And generally these lamps are critical lamps for fault or something, indication of a motor or a starters. And when you come out with the problem that the lamps are not working, just because that are small lamps, the total plant can be stopped or have problems. So looking at the problem, core problem in that electrical industry, Mimic has come out with the LED indicating lamp first time in India. And those lamps, what we have come out with some USPs or speciality, that original lamps were metallic and our lamps were plastic body lamps. So nobody was ready to believe that plastic body lamps will work or not. So we have to throw that lamps literally from second floor to ground floor, put it in a bucket filled of water. This way we have started marketing in 1989. Also, the filament lamps were having zero guarantee. Zero means when you purchase the lamp, the guarantee ends. No money back. And we started the concept that in indicating lamps for control panels with 1 year full guarantee, full replacement guarantee. The people were still not ready to believe. So when we have gone to door to the big industries, one ex-industry has given us a chance. They told me that if you give this lamp to us free of charge for first batch, 3 months will work out, and if it works for 3 months, I will completely change totally my plant with your lamps. And after 20 days, I got a call and said, come for the discussion. I told them that it's a 20 days only, but they said, sir, in our plant there is not a single lamp till now has worked for continuous 15 days. After 15 days, each and every lamp goes off because we are having a lot of fluctuations. And one more better thing for your lamp is your lamps withstand for these continuous fluctuations, very heavy fluctuations. So we also were not knowing the criticalness of our lamp or betterness of our lamp. So this is the way we started, and total plant is being replaced by our lamps. That plant, after 20 years, till the factory has been scrapped, the lamps were working. So this is the life of our Mimic indicating lamp till today after 40 years, almost 40 years. Since then, we have come out with various types of the lamps, various specialized lamps, and we are still in the market in comparison with the companies outside India. I am going to explain you one by one each lamp, which is a specialized lamp, invented lamp 40 years back. That all details, characteristics I am going to explain you now. In Mimic, these are the various types of the indicating lamps. I am going to explain you one by one what are the USPs or what are the specializations of Mimic LED lamps than the other manufacturers. First of all, this lamp, when we have started manufacturing, this is the fundamental lamp having a square, very sturdy body with connectors at the back side, and each connector can accommodate 2.5 mm square foot type of products. Also, this body is of PBT and the cap is of polycarbonate. This polycarbonate cap is so sturdy that if you hammer this cap, this will not break. That is the speciality of this cap. And even this body also PBD, wire retardant, is a specialized body. This lamp we call it as a high bright lamp. High bright means its intensity is very high and it can differentiate between the other lamps about the brightness. This is the mounting nut. You can see the etching over here. It's a high bright lamp. In all voltages, the voltages are around 12 volt, 24 volt, 48 volt, 110 volt, 230 volt, for 415 volts AC or DC. There are different types. like only for AC or AC-DC also, and that AC-DC lamps works on AC as well as DC. This is the lamp which we call it as a hybrid lamp. This is the series of hybrid lamps in all colors. Second lamp, which is very specialized lamp, what we call it as a bicolor lamp. You can see this lamp. It's a bicolor lamp with a transparent cap, and see the connections. See the connections. Here it is red, green and common. That means when you give connection between red and common, it will go red. When you give connection between green, G and C, it will glow green. The specialty is this can replace two lamps in a control panel. That means you don't need two different lamps, because on and off never is on at the same time. So red and green lamp never becomes on at the same time. So this one lamp can serve the purpose. This saves the space in the control panel. This saves the price of the total raw material. And this is the only lamp manufactured by Mimic for electrical control panels. This is the second specialized lamps manufactured by Mimic. Third lamp, what we are going to tell you is the dual voltage lamp. So inventory is a generalized problem with all control panel manufacturers, stockists. We generally need the lamps of 230 volt AC and 24 volt DC. This lamp, one lamp can operate 24 volt DC or 230 volt AC both. That saves a lot of inventory and saves our money of investing into the raw material. Again, the same thing, these are the three terminals. If you connect between C and 24 volt DC plus, it will glow in 24 volt DC. If you want to give 230 volt AC, you can connect between this first terminal and the last terminal. This is the specialty of this lamp. Again, this dual voltage lamp is first time in India and is been only manufactured by Mimic. This is the third lamp we have explained. Then we'll come out to Legion lamps. This is again a specialized lamp manufactured by Mimic. In this lamp, this R, Y, B or whatever other legends are there, those are glowed digitally, directly. That means this R will glow in red, Y will glow in red and B will glow. So with looking at these legends, you can come to know what is the what you want to say R phase, Y phase or B phase, whatever it may be. Same way you can have trip, on, off, trip or whatever legend you want. You have to just tell us. It is customized also, and this saves the complete legend plates in the control panels. Rest of the things are same as others. All voltages are available, 12 volt to 415 volts. This replaces the legend plate, is the USP or the specialty of this particular lamp. And last section is our specialized lamp. These specialized lamps generally are being used for metros where the voltages are not defined or specialized voltages like, see, this is a 415 volt DC. So at least in India, 415 volt DC, we are the only manufacturers in India. Others are all imported one. And these works years together for years and years, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 years. So those all Mimic lamps are fail-proof lamps at least for 10 years. These lamps also we are having a range up to 650 volts DC or AC. This particular lamp is supposed for 15 volt DC. We are having a requirement of 220 volt DC, 240 volt DC, 275 or whatever the customized voltage we can give in this particular lamps. Also, this 415 volt DC lamps again is a speciality of Mimic. 415 volt lamps with all fluctuations are available in Mimic. And moreover, in the specialized section, if you are having some specialized voltages specified by your consultant or anybody else, we can develop. We are having very R&D setup, very strong. So this is the total range of Mimic panels, Mimic LED indicators. Thank you.